Fun Farmer Dr. P here in the blue zone, and just want to show you some tomatoes that my father-in-law just picked. He just walked all the way from here all the way up there to go get a basket, to then walk all the way back down here to get the tomatoes. We're also collecting corn, what's left of the corn. Here's the tomatoes that he collected. These are my own little special. You call them black tomatoes or blue tomatoes. I call them black tomatoes. And it's a cool story behind these. I had these tomatoes seeds given to me by somebody. I was growing them. I love these to make sauce with. And I, for some reason, lost the seeds one year, but I had given the seeds to my PA. So my PA gave me some seeds back, and now I have them again. They're Josh Justin tomatoes, I call them as well, because Josh Justin, my PA, gave these seeds back to me, and I have these tomatoes again still. Again, these are amazing to eat anyway, but when you make a sauce with these, the darkness of the skin makes a really dark, rich sauce. It's pretty amazing. And obviously, anything purple or dark has a lot of anthocyanins in it, which are very, very healthy for you. All those phytochemicals, especially in the purple or the dark vegetables, are anti-inflammatories. They're healthy, they're anti-cancer, and frankly, they're good for our joints and especially our knees. And you know, some people say tomatoes are inflammatory. Baloney. Eat them. They're great for you. They have a lot of antioxidants in them, lycopene. There's nothing wrong with them. Italians have a long time eating a lot of tomatoes. And here he comes, back down, back and forth, gardening. Only thing he ever does for his knee, a little wrap on there. Pretty good balance for 95.5. Stay active, keep active, have a purpose in life. Watch this, he's gonna bend over. Most of those actually, he said, had fallen off. The garden's getting kind of late here. It's always a little bit of a sad thing, but it's always kind of fun because now we can start using this stuff to make sauce and other types of things. But these black tomatoes are crazy this year, all from seeds. I planted those plants indoors in March in my basement. They're still producing tomatoes as of mid-September. 95.5, pretty amazing.